Hi guys, it's Shane again, and we're going to continue exploring different elements of the English speaking. Today we're going to talk about accents. Now we're going to talk about three main accents, just as a way of comparison, but the two main ones being American English and then British English. And I'm also going to introduce, because of where I come from, some Irish accent into the equation as well. Okay, so for example, think about the word party. In the United Kingdom, they might say party. In America, they might say party. In Ireland, they'll say party. Okay? So you can hear those three different. Which of those is correct? Well, they all are. And that is the essence of the accents in English. Because English is a very diverse language that is spoken all over the world and has lots of native forms. Okay? So we're going to discuss a few different elements of that. First of all, the letter or as I like to write it down, and I'll show it to you, okay? This one, okay? Now, this letter is often pronounced very differently between the United Kingdom version of English, the American version of English, and the Irish version as well. So, for example, F-O or K in the United Kingdom might be folk. In the United States, it'd be fork, and in Ireland, it'd be fork. Okay? P-A or K in the United Kingdom might be park. Okay? The or doesn't, it's almost like a sound. In the US, it's park. And where I come from, it's park. Park, park, park. All right? Shack, shark, shark. Okay? Party, party, party. Okay. What other ones? Horse in Ireland, horse in the United Kingdom, and horse in the USA. It's more swallow the O sound when you're speaking with an American accent. And with the British accent, you don't really swallow the O sound, you just let it out. Okay. And in the Irish accent, well, it's a little bit of both. A mixture of the two, let's say. Okay, there's also the intrusive or, which is kind of an or sound that where the letter or normally isn't. So for example, saw. In the US, they don't have it. I saw a car last night. In the United Kingdom, they might say, I saw a car last night. Okay, so saw, it's almost like S-A-W, or saw. All right? Then another thing. So the or is one and the T is another. Okay? So in the United Kingdom, they have the hard T, the T sound. Okay? As is in Ireland. And that's where the two very much differentiate between the three of them. So we keep in mind the or sound. In the United Kingdom, be water. Okay? The is the E or. And the T is T. In America, it could be water. Like it's almost like a D sound, okay? Water. In Ireland, it's water. So it's a mixture of the two, and that's where you really get the sound difference in the three accents. What other parts can we talk about? For example, the same thing. Fighter, fighter, fighter. Okay? Bitter, bitter, bitter. Butter, butter, butter. So you really hear the three different for the same ones. There's also the silent J sound in the UK, or the J symbol, like this, the Y rather. So when you see this, you Y. So for example, tune in the United Kingdom, tune in Ireland, and tune in the UK. Duty, duty in the United Kingdom, duty in Ireland, and then duty in the United States. Would you like some tuna with that? Or would you like some tuna with that? Or would you like some tuna with that? So you hear the very different sounds there again. Let's go into a couple of more and then we're going to finish because it's getting quite long. Let's have a look at some of the pronunciation differences in these words. Okay, in the UK and Ireland, this is garage, or garage. In the United States, it's garage. Okay? In the UK and Ireland, address. In America, address. Route. In the UK and Ireland, route. In the USA. Either or either. Either is more American, either is more British or Irish. Leisure. Leisure, UK and Ireland. Leisure in some parts of the United States. Neither and neither. Again, just like either and either. Let's see what else we've got. Director or director will be the UK version. Or director, director. Blank, blank, blank. All right, like I said, I'm going to finish you for there. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys next week with some more linguistics.